the peak is probably in. The Fed is guiding to a slower pace of hikes. So maybe they get almost to 5, but it's largely in the price. The market's not wrong to be sniffing out the possibility of a rate cut.
I think 5 to 5.25 is about what we are thinking as well.
The Fed's expectation for where this hiking cycle ends is higher than it was in September. We already had Powell telling us those dots will have moved higher, but how much higher is still, is still a question. And if those have been marked up, to a particularly high level above 5%, we heard Dudley mentioning that 5 to 5.5 range. If those have been marked up to something closer to the top end of that range, I think markets would move pretty significantly on that.
The Fed needs to back off. It is absolutely clear and has become clear over time. A lot of that inflation is coming from disruptions on the supply side, disruptions from COVID, disruptions from the war in Ukraine.
There is a slowdown coming through, and I think the Fed is acknowledging that, and that's part of the reason why it's talking about moderating the pace of hikes relatively soon.